Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Blender animation. First, ensure you have both Blender and Roblox Studio installed on your computer. Next, activate the Rigging and Animation plugin within Roblox Studio settings. Then, download the specific Blender add-on for Roblox animation, typically found on GitHub. Finally, open Blender and configure its preferences to enable this new add-on, preparing your environment for seamless animation work. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth workflow. Now that your environment is ready, let's get your Roblox model into Blender. Begin by opening your chosen character or object within Roblox Studio. Carefully select the entire model you wish to animate. Then, utilize the Export Selection feature to save your model. It is highly recommended to choose the FBX file format, as this offers the best compatibility with Blender. Remember to note where you save the file for easy retrieval later. With your model successfully imported, it's time for the creative part, animating in Blender. Navigate to the File menu and select Import, then choose FBX to bring your Roblox model into the scene. Now, leverage Blender's powerful animation tools to craft your desired movements, setting keyframes along the timeline. Fine-tune your animation using the dope sheet for precise timing and flow. Aim for smooth, efficient animations that align with Roblox's performance recommendations. Finally, let's bring your amazing Blender animation back into Roblox Studio. First, export your finished animation from Blender, again as an FBX file. Then, open Roblox Studio and access the Animation Editor to import your newly created FBX animation. Once imported, you can apply this animation directly to your character or model within your game. Always remember to thoroughly test your animation in Roblox to ensure it plays exactly as you intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.